How to open OPay account. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be literally teaching you how you could literally open an OPay account. So right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description right now to go download the OPay account on the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. And by the way, this app is available on iOS device and also is available on Android device. All you just need right now is to click on the link in the description right now to go download the app on Apple Play Store or iOS Store. And by the way, once you use my link to download the OP app, you'll be given a bonus of 3,000 welcome bonus for using my link. So right now you can literally see this how the OP app look like. So you can see right here, this is how the OP app look like, and already I'll be walking you through on how to create an account. So I'm going to assume you already created an account on OP. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the app right now. It's going to load up with the app. So okay, let me. So this is how the app literally looks like as a beginner. So right now I'll be creating a new account for the purpose of this video, because I already have an account on OP. So I'll be walking you through step by step on how to create an account. So I'll be logging out of my account right now to teach you guys on how to create an account. And by the way, don't forget to use the link in the description below. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Yeah, so I already logged out of my account right now. This is how the OP app look like once you download it on your phone. This is how it's going to look like. All you just need to do right now is to come over to this mid section right here at the down corner here. Come over to the mid section right here to create an account. You can literally see right now, just click on this sign up button, sign in button right here. So there's gonna be a place where you can literally sign up. So you can see right now, all you just need is to create a new account for yourself. Create a new account for yourself. And by the way, once you click on my link right now, it's going to take you to your Chrome browser. So it's going to ask you to fill in your phone number. So is that phone number you use on your Chrome browser is the same phone number you're going to use to create this OP account, the OP account you're going to be creating for yourself. So all you just need right now to do right now is to click on this create account. So it's going to create. So you'll be asked to put in your phone number. I could write here, this is my phone number. You'll be asked to put in your phone number, and once you are done putting in your phone number, you'll be asked, they're going to send you a 6-digit code to your phone number. It's going to be a 6-digit code to your phone number. And once they already sent you the code, you just click on the confirm button. And once you click on the confirm button right now, they're going to ask you to fill in your account, your name, your first name, your last name, your email account, your email address, your phone number, and you'll be asked to verify your OP account with your NIN, your BVN, and your bank account. So you also be asked to link your credit card, that is your ATM card, to the OP. So let me quickly show you guys how this literally looks like. So guys, once you are done with all of that, you are going to be logged in into your account. You can see right now, this is how your account is going to be like. And by the way, they're going to ask you to create a password for yourself, a password that you'll be able to use this password to perform transactions. So you are going to input this password if anytime you want to do any kind of transaction on OP. And by the way, the password, you'll be asked to fill in two passwords. One password is for if you want to perform a transaction, and the other password is for if you want to log in into the OP apps. You will be asked to create a 6-digit password for you to be able to log in into your account. So once you're already done with your account, you could right here, this is how the OP looks like. It's right here. You could decide to explore all the features OP literally have. So you could go to the reward section right here. By the way, once you perform any transaction on OP, maybe like example, maybe you bought a recharge card, you transfer money, you're going to be given a cash back, and this cash back you could use it to buy data for yourself and do whatever you like with it. And also you could come over to the finance option right here. It's at the down corner right here. You just come over to the finance option right here. So this is the OWealth. There, if you want to invest, if you know you are literally interested in investing, you could literally use this OWealth option right here to invest. You could just fund it. Just click on the OWealth, and once you invest on OPay, the reason I love OPay is once you invest on OPay, they're going to be giving you a daily commission on the amount of money you are investing in a day. You could see right here, I've earned let me close this. You can see right here I've earned some money right here, just $1 1 naira point 47 kobo. It's not much, but it depends on the kind of, you could say right here, these are the transaction, these are the investment I've done with OPay. You could say right here, this is 900, 900, 500. These are the cashback of my investment. You could see right here, I've already withdrawn the money. So you could decide to invest with OPay if you know you want to invest with OPay. And also there are a lot of things you could also decide to borrow loan from OPay. So you can also decide to borrow loan on OPay, and all you just need is to click on the loan option right here, and you'll be able to borrow loan from OPay. So just click on it, and you'll be able to borrow loan. And by the way, you'll be able to borrow loan from Easy Money or Cash because they're already partner with OPay. You could right here, you could try to borrow loan from this, and also you could decide to order your card if you need a card. It could be a physical card or be a virtual card. So you can see right here, just click on the card if you know you need the OPay card, and it's gonna be delivered to you. And by the way, the OPay card is just 1,200 in order for you to be able to get a card. You can see right here, I already ordered a card from OPay, and it's going to be delivered on the 15th of March 2023. And by the way guys, if you are getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop some video. And by the way, my channel is all about making money online. I talk about personal finance, business and investment, whereby I'll be teaching you guys how you could literally make money online by showing you guys some side hustle you could literally start up right now that's going to earn you money. I also teach entrepreneurs, business owners on how to grow their business online with online strategy and with some online software. So if this is what you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop some videos. So you can see right here, there are two kind of card you could order from OPay. It could be a virtual card or a physical card. So the difference between this is a virtual card is gonna be available in your account, and while a physical card, you'll be able to get a physical card in your hands. You could use this physical card to literally buy things online, pay for things at POS and all of that. So once you already order the card, you'll be asked to activate the card right here, and also you can also track the card to know whether the card has already been delivered. So you could see right here, you could literally link your bank account right here. You could literally link your bank account right here, or just click on it to link your bank account. You could add your card because right here I already linked my first bank account to OPay, and you could also link your card and whatever. So you could try to explore this place to know more about OPay. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.